guys, so today I'm going to show you my favorite leave-in conditioner that I started using about 8 years ago, and I got this recipe from Kimmaytube, and I'll post a link to her channel in the notes below. So first you will need something to store your conditioner in. You will need a tablespoon and a teaspoon. The products that I used were aloe vera juice, Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, castor oil, and jojoba oil. So the first thing you're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of your leave-in conditioner. You can use whatever conditioner that you like that works best for your hair. I like Kinky Curly because it was the original conditioner for the recipe, and it works very well. Now you're going to take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, next is 2 teaspoons of castor oil and 2 teaspoons of jojoba oil. Make sure you stir it up really well. Stir it until it changes colors. It usually changes from yellow to white, and that's the finished product. So now I'm going to show you how I apply the conditioner to my hair. First, I take freshly washed and detangled hair, and my hair right now is sectioned off in 8 twists, which I created while I was in the shower. There's the product, nice and mixed. First, I will take one side of my hair and separate it so it won't get in the way. Then I'm going to take the first 2 twists and pin them away. Starting from the back up, I release each twist and apply the conditioner. You can apply as much as you need because it's usually a lot left over. It's usually enough for me to do a second application the next week. So rake it through, make sure you detangle your hair or comb through so it can be evenly distributed throughout your hair. Now I'm taking 1 twist and separating it into 2 sections so I can create a smaller twist. And that's it, you just twist it up. And when you get to the end, make sure you twirl the end of the twist. And you can apply more product if needed. So here again, I am raking the product through my hair, taking my wide tooth detangler comb that I've had for years and making sure the product is evenly distributed, and then twist it up. It's a fairly simple process. Apply more product to the ends of your hair as needed because you want to keep your ends very moisturized. And so I've completed most of my hair. I just wanted to show you how I twist the front. And because I started from the back up, the front of my hair gotten fairly dry, so I just take a water bottle full of water and spray it until it's damp. Now, the only time I use a comb is to create my front parts, and so I'm going to create my side part, pin the rest of my hair away, separate it into 2 medium sections, pin 1 section back, apply product to the first section, finger detangle, comb through to make sure the product is evenly distributed. Smooth it out and twist it up. This product works very well because it keeps your hair moisturized for a couple of days. This is probably one of the best leave-in conditioner recipes that I've used, and even though I've strayed away from it because I've been using it for about 8 years now, but I've strayed away because I just got lazy and didn't want to create my own conditioner. But my twists weren't as moisturized as I like them to be recently, so I decided to go back to my old faithful recipe. So now I'm just finishing up the last twist, and there you have it. I have about 16 twists in my head. And that's it. Try it out, guys, and let me know in the comments below what you think. So these pictures are how I preserve my twists. The first night I stretched my twist and pinned it to my head so my twist can stretch out. And so for a week I wore just my twist in a ponytail. And these are the pictures. And I used a little bit of edge control to slick my edges back. And by Saturday I took my twist out, and as you can see, my hair is still moisturized. I hadn't done anything else to it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment below, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with somebody who you think may need the information. Thanks so much for watching, guys.